The Great Gatsby, Chapter 6, Pop Quiz. When Tom and the Sloanes invite Gatsby to dinner, what do they do to him? They ditch him when he goes to get his car, they make him pay for the meal, or they tell him the wrong restaurant. How does Gatsby keep referring to Tom throughout his party? Mr. B, the polo player, or Duke? How does Gatsby try to impress Tom and Daisy during his party? By showing off all the celebrities who have come? By hinting at his connections to the mob? Or by giving them a tour of his lavish estate? What does Gatsby insist to Nick? That he can marry Daisy? That he can get rid of Tom? Or that he can repeat the past? What specific moment does Gatsby want to get back to? The day he made his first million? The day his parents told him they were proud of him? Or the day he first kissed Daisy? What is Gatsby's real name? Jay Gatsby? Jason Gatsan? Or James Gats? How did Gatsby learn how to live like a rich man? His father taught him? Dan Cody? Or Mayor Wolfsheim? What happened to all the money Gatsby inherited from Dan Cody? He lost it in the stock market? Cody's girlfriend stole it? Or it was seized by the FBI? Why does the reporter show up at Gatsby's house? To investigate the mob connections? To research the rumors of wild parties? Or no specific reason? What does Tom assume about Gatsby after the party? That Gatsby is a bootlegger? That Gatsby is a banker? Or that Gatsby is a gambler? What were Gatsby's parents' real jobs? They were musicians, they were actors, or they were farmers? Where did Gatsby go to college? Oxford? St. Olaf's in Minnesota? Or he didn't go to college? Gatsby tells Nick that he worked as a clam digger, a salmon fisherman, and what? A horse trainer, a shoemaker, or a janitor? How does Daisy feel about Gatsby's party? She didn't like it? She loved it? Or she was too nervous to enjoy it? What hypocritical statement does Tom make at the party? People are too selfish with their money? Women run around too much these days? Or, I don't understand why everybody lies all the time. How many did you get right? Check your grade.